In this tutorial, we are going to learn about what if analysis and how to do it on Excel. So we will perform goal seek, data tables as well as scenario manager. So this is the question that is given to us. So imagine that you are a car manufacturer who manufactures 2000 cars per annum at a unit cost of 1 lakh rupee. Now you can sell these cars either through approved stockist at a price of 2,50,000, or you can sell it in open market for a unit price of 3 lakh. Now there is a fixed cost of production which is 1 lakh rupee, and currently you sell 40% of your production in the open market. In the first question they are asking us what percentage of units produced you should sell in open market in order to achieve a profit of 35 crores. So they have given us a target of 35 crores, right? And you have to manipulate the proportion sold in open market in order to achieve this target. So let's start with a goal seek question. So first I'll enter all the values that are given to me manually, right, in the question. So 2000 cars are being manufactured and 40% are being sold in open market. I've already made the table, entered the variables here in order to save time. So number of cars sold in open market. So this I can easily calculate since they have told me that 40% of 2000 is being sold. So I'll multiply this by the percentage share and I'll press enter. Similarly here I'll multiply this by the remaining share, which is 1 minus 40%, that is 60%. So 1200. Now sales price, if we sell in open market, it's given to us, it's 3 lakh rupee, and for stockist route it is 2,50,000. The cost price is 1 lakh, so it will remain the same, and the fixed cost is given to us as 1 lakh. Now I'll calculate the profit. So this is simply sales price minus my cost price. Here also my sales price, which is 2,50,000, minus my cost price. So now I have to calculate my total profit. So for that I will use sum product. I can do it manually also, but by sum product I just have to fix my arrays. Sorry, let me just select it again, comma, my profit per unit, and I have to deduct my fixed cost out of this. So this is my total profit right now. Now I have to change this to my target profit, which is 35 crores, right? So for that I will go to my data tab here and I'll choose what if analysis and click on goal seek. So my set cell is total profit, which is this one. This is what I want as my target, and to value. So I will have to manually enter that I want it to change to 35 crores by changing cell. So what is the one variable that you want to manipulate, right? So I want to manipulate my percentage of cars sold in open market. So I'll simply press OK. So if you see, the values have automatically changed here, and my percentage of cars sold is now 0.501, right? So the what if analysis is telling us that instead of 40%, I should sell 50% in the open market if I want to earn a profit of 35 crores, and accordingly my number of cars sold will also change here. So that was it for goal seek analysis. Thank you.